Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and find About Phone to activate a special section in which we will be able to find this option. So let's localize the MIUI version and keep tapping on it to receive this information. If you want to learn more about the developer options in this device, I highly recommend to simply search for our video. We will explain more about the developer options. Alright, after activating, let's scroll down to find additional settings and then scroll down again. Let's enter the developer options, and after scrolling just a little bit, you can find this automatic system updates option, which is right now turned off. So simply tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so your device will have a chance to update the system. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.